Ego 2100 PSI pressure washer. Oh, and this is just my favorite little tool on the planet. Let's go. Let's see what's in here. Here's everything. On the tool bench. Bench warmers. I'm not a pro. I just push it to the test. 100-foot hose. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice push. Hose plugs right in the side. Battery load to the front. Let's go. 25-foot hose that comes with the unit. It's got some sod laid, so I got mud everywhere. Gotta clean it up. Got a little kick to it. Attachment. Turbo speed. Bench warmers. Not a pro.